Top of the morning to you lads, and welcome back to another video, guys. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to have a it's going to be basically a DIY video. It's my first DIY video that I'm ever going to do. Before I get the video started, guys, I did a poll on Instagram, and you guys would like to see a lot of Ford updates and Ford news, so I'm going to go ahead and do that for you guys. But this video is not about that. Today, like I said, is a DIY video on how to make a makeshift zip-tied, kind of ghetto rigged, like side POV mount that you can put on your hat that looks pretty sleek. I haven't really seen anybody do it yet before, so hopefully I'm the first one to do it. But I just left Napa Auto Parts, guys, and I got some zip ties. And yeah, we're gonna get this video started. I will show you guys once I get home what you guys will exactly need to do this video. Okay, guys, so here's some of the things you're gonna need. Obviously, you guys are gonna need some zip ties, your extra hat, and obviously your camera. So, oh, you're also gonna need a knife. So I gotta go find a knife real quick. Hold on. Okay, I couldn't find a knife, so I found this little needle thing. So what you'll need to do is find the under flap right here, so the zip tie does not stick you in the head or anything like that. So measure up and figure out where the best point is for your camera to mount, and then run zip ties through one hole to the other, and then obviously around it, so it's still easy to get access to take it out. Or if you want to leave it on there, you can also take off your SD card to check the file. So let's go ahead and do it. Okay, so I had to do a little bit more modificationing, I guess you'd say. So I had to use four zip ties technically. So 2 on the inside and then 2 on the outside. So basically it's a double loop going around. Let's go ahead and take this thing out for a test drive and see what it looks like. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and try out this mount. It looks like it's not going to be very, very comfortable. But, I mean, if you wear like a skull cap or something like that, the little rivets on the inside won't catch you. Plus, like I said, with the black, it kind of makes it, you know, real sleek and not as noticeable to people. But let's go ahead and go to the store because I'm kind of hungry, and let's go ahead and see what this looks like.
Set it off on the left, y'all. Set it off on the right, y'all. Set it off. Come on, let's set it off.